EV revolution is here. Kia, movement that inspires.
The Kia Concept EV3 represents the brand's vision for an electric compact CUV that effortlessly blends practicality with the sheer joy of driving. It offers users the technology, practicality and design of Kia's flagship SUV, the EV9, in a compact and accessible form. While those qualities might seem incompatible to some, delivering creative, groundbreaking design solutions by fusing seemingly contrasting sources lies at the heart of Kia's Opposites United design philosophy. In the case of the Concept EV3, Kia's designers have drawn a high degree of inspiration from the Joy for Reason pillar of the design philosophy. Joy can be seen as the antithesis of reason. One is a positive, emotional response, and the other is derived from logic. When the two are combined, though, their contrasting qualities merge into a powerful and highly impactful design. Karim Habib, Executive Vice President and Head of Kia Global Design Center, said. With the Concept EV3, the Joy for Reason influence is evident in the contrasting qualities of a robust body combined with a dynamic silhouette. In addition, the unexpected treatment of volumes and graphics simultaneously interlock with each other, creating a logical yet emotional design. The design treatment of the cabin, with the windscreen pushed forward and the long sloping roofline, creates a unique silhouette. The robust architecture of the squared wheel arches, cut with asymmetrical angles, results in an unexpected logic and a strong impression. This, in turn, is contrasted by the wrap-around windscreen and disconnected C-pillar, which link the glasshouse surfaces and give the roof a floating effect. Inside, the Concept EV3 blends exceptional practicality with transformative cabin ambience and design.
Kia, movement that inspires.
As with the vehicle's exterior, the Joy for Reason pillar plays a fundamental influencing role, merging seemingly opposing values to execute a precise product design language, resulting in a cabin that feels joyful to travel in, while providing ample space to support an active lifestyle once occupants reach their destination. Its cabin also provides an environment that promotes emotional well-being.